Okay, meron tayong dalawang special na bisita. One of our visitors all the way from
Nevada.
On his left is my teacher. Teacher ko to. Teacher ko sa Ateneo de Davao University. Ma'am Helen Aligado, CALP sa LA. Kumusta ka na, ma'am?
Mabuti naman.
Siya yung favorite teacher ko. Alam mo, matatandaan mo lang yung sa teacher ko, elementary, high school, sa college. Tatlo lang matatandaan ko kasi yung mga babait sa akin. Yung mga terror, hindi ko nakalimutan yung...
Pet ka niya ata. Teacher's pet ka ata eh.
Siya yung napakagaling at napakabait na teacher nung nasa Ateneo pa ako nag-aaral. Pero ngayon si Ma'am Helen ay nasa LA na. Saan kayo sa Los Angeles, Ma'am Helen?
Malapit ako sa Historic Filipino District.
O, kita mo, pati pagsalita ni Ma'am Helen, may twang.
May twang na?
American twang. Ayun.
Hindi ko napapansin yun. Gusto kong batiin yung aking friend sa Los Angeles. Yun yung #1 fan mo doon.
Wow. Anong
Si
pangalan?
Amelia Babes Gutierrez.
Okay.
She's your #1 fan. Actually, she stays up until 3 in the morning. Pinapanood niya yung mga shows mo sa YouTube. Meron siyang pinadalang CD para sa iyo kasi she's a singer.
Okay.
She has her own band called Babes and Friends. So ito yung CD na pinadala niya.
Okay, sige. Ipi-play ko ito.
Piplay mo yan mamaya. Ako matutuwa si Babes yan. Kikiligin yun.
Para mapakinggan nila. At saka sa Facebook page na Rafi Tulfo in Action. Ngayon naman, punta tayo kay Vernon. Vernon, how are you?
Doing very well.
You're from Nevada, right?
Yes.
And he arrived just last week. Was it last
Yes.
week? So how'd you find your stay here so far?
It's absolutely wonderful. The people are great, very friendly. The food is great. I wouldn't trade it for anything.
That's good.
And you are great.
Thank you.
And I want to let you know that we're very proud of your president, Rodrigo Duterte. And I think most of the people in the United States feels the same way. We applaud him. He's doing a great job, and we want to thank him.
Okay, compared to Donald Trump, how is he?
Rodrigo Duterte is 1,000 times better than Donald
That's
Trump.
what I want to hear. Okay, palakpakan natin to.
Palakpakan
Kita
natin
mo,
yun,
kung nakikinig yung ating presidente, okay sir, mas magaling pa raw kayo kaysa kay President Donald Trump ng US 1,000 times. Totoo naman talaga, magaling yung presidente natin. In fact, na lagay nga sa Time Magazine. Diba, Ma'am Helen?
Oh, definitely.
Tapos tingin nyo, kumpara sa mga dating presidente ng Pilipinas, how does the president or new president fare with all the other
If
presidents
you
in
want
the past?
me to speak from the heart, magmula nung nawala si President Marcos, parang lahat ng president natin na sumunod, they were all mediocre. Ngayon lang dumating na meron tao na who's willing to do everything for the masa. And that's why the people love him, because he's for the masa, you know. He's not egoistic like, you know, some other presidents out there. I don't want to mention names.
Pwede naman kayo mag-mention ng kulay.
Puti.
What can you say about the anti-drug campaign of President Duterte, Vernon?
I compare him to Elliot Ness, if you want
Elliot
to know.
Ness of the
Elliot Ness in the
one-
1930s.
FBI.
the FBI,
Yes.
the first FBI agent.
He was put on as the head of the gangbuster units when they had really bad crime in the 1930s. In approximately 3 years' time, he pretty much wiped out those gangs and caught the most notorious gangster of that era, Al Capone. Al Capone was sentenced to life in prison in Alcatraz near San Francisco. However, he died a few years later from syphilis. So I think Rodrigo Duterte and Elliot Ness can be compared, and I think they're doing, I mean, he's not alive now, Elliot Ness, but by comparison, they're doing a fantastic, or have done a fantastic job, and Rodrigo Duterte is doing a great job.
Wow, nakikinig ba yung Malacanang dyan?
Martin
Secretary Martin,
Epinar.
narinig mo yan? Iparating mo yan kay Presidente natin. Dalawang pumupuri. Okay, salamat po sa inyo, Ma'am Helen at Vernon.